Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us.
In this video, we will cover top 15 must-know accessibility testing interview questions. Question 1. Let's say you come across a button on a page that only has an icon but no accessible label. What would be your accessibility concern? The correct answer is screen readers won't announce the button's purpose correctly. As buttons need accessible names, like ARIA label or inner text, so screen readers can announce their purpose. Icons alone don't provide this. Question 2. Suppose a modal opens but focus remains on the background page elements. What issue does this create? The correct answer is keyboard users may get trapped or lose context, as focus must shift to the modal when it appears. Otherwise, keyboard and assistive tech users won't know it opened, causing confusion and navigation issues. Question 3. Imagine there's a video on a landing page that autoplays with sound. What's your accessibility take on this? The correct answer is it's a violation. Users must be able to pause or stop it, as autoplay with sound can disorient users, especially those with cognitive or visual impairments. WCAG requires controls to pause, stop, or mute. Question 4. During testing, you notice that the color contrast between text and background is very low. How would you evaluate this issue? The correct answer is by checking with a contrast checker tool against WCAG AA/AAA standards, as contrast should meet WCAG 1.4.3 minimum AA ratio, 4.5 to 1 for normal text. Tools like ACE, WAVE, or manual checkers help confirm compliance. Question 5. You're testing a dynamic dropdown that expands on click, but a screen reader doesn't announce the change. What might be missing? The correct answer is proper ARIA expanded attribute updates, as ARIA expanded must be updated dynamically so assistive technologies know the expanded/collapsed state of interactive components. Question 6. Imagine the page has multiple headings but they're used randomly, like H1 for styling, H3 before H2, etc. How does this affect accessibility? The correct answer is screen readers rely on heading structure to navigate content efficiently, as logical heading hierarchy helps screen reader users skim content, similar to how sighted users visually scan pages. Question 7. You notice a CAPTCHA that only has distorted text to solve, with no audio alternative. What's your accessibility feedback? The correct answer is it violates accessibility because visually impaired users can't complete it, as CAPTCHAs must offer accessible alternatives like audio or logical challenges to avoid discriminating against users with disabilities. Question 8. Suppose the site uses infinite scrolling without any way to skip to footer or pagination. What's the accessibility issue? The correct answer is keyboard users and screen readers may have trouble reaching footer or controlling navigation, as infinite scroll can trap users. Accessible sites offer load more buttons or skip links to maintain control and navigation structure. Question 9. During keyboard testing, you notice a custom dropdown where arrow keys don't work to navigate items. What does this suggest? The correct answer is keyboard interactions aren't implemented according to ARIA design patterns, as custom controls must mimic native keyboard behavior. For dropdowns, arrow keys should navigate items as per ARIA best practices. Question 10. You encounter a carousel that moves automatically every 2 seconds. What's your accessibility evaluation? The correct answer is users should be able to pause, stop, or control it, as auto-advancing content can disorient users with cognitive or motor disabilities. WCAG requires user controls for moving content. Question 11. Suppose a screen reader user can't access certain elements inside a canvas-based chart. How would you approach this? The correct answer is provide alternative text or data tables as fallback, as canvas elements are not inherently accessible. Accessible charts provide alternative data or use ARIA roles with proper labels. Question 12. When testing with a screen reader, you notice that skipping navigation doesn't work. What's likely missing? The correct answer is a properly implemented skip to main content link that is focusable, as skip links allow keyboard and screen reader users to bypass repeated navigation, improving efficiency. Question 13. Imagine a mobile site where pinch to zoom is disabled. What's the accessibility implication? The correct answer is it violates WCAG guidelines as low vision users can't zoom, as disabling zoom can prevent users with visual impairments from enlarging text, violating accessibility principles. Question 14. You're testing a page and notice some interactive icons are implemented using div without roles. What's the issue? The correct answer is screen readers won't recognize them as interactive, as without proper roles or semantics, screen readers can't detect div elements as interactive controls. Question 15. While testing a page, you notice the tab order jumps unpredictably. What could be wrong? The correct answer is tab index values are set incorrectly, as incorrect or random tab index values disrupt logical navigation for keyboard and assistive tech users.
Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us.